What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I will be day trading NASDAQ futures as usual, the MNQ micro contracts. It is April 7th, 2026. It's Tuesday, and the market just now opened. Let's see what kind of price action we get. I'm only trading A+ setups. It's a momentum scalp strategy that I use, and there's one or two other setups I'll do if they present themselves, but the main thing is just waiting for perfect setups. So let's see what happens. There's not any red news events today. As far as I know, there's no important news events at all. So I don't see us really pushing much higher, but based on this hourly chart right up here, looks like we could see some downside, but you got to be careful and just be patient because we could also just stay in a range most of the day. So let's see what happens. Maybe we'll get some good trades. Alright, bar 7 could give us a trade if it closes down here somewhere below bar 6. Come on, hold right there. This will be a good trade. 3, 2, taking it. Short. Let's see if we can grab this. I'm not sure we'll take out yesterday's low, but it's possible. Let's see. Just gonna go for 20 or 30 points. Leave this target here just in case we spike down fast. Actually, I'll put it down here closer to that low, just in case. Actually, my target did not move for some reason. Ninja Trader is acting kind of crazy. Alright, I'm out. Trying to flatten this. Oh, what are you doing, Ninja Trader? Oh, get me out. Oh, I better be out of that trade. Ninja Trader froze up. Come on. What a trade. And Ninja Trader wants to mess up. Oh, don't tell me I just now got out of that trade. But if I did, I'm up 1900. I'll take it. Oh man. Maybe it was a happy accident. Okay, so NinjaTrader just froze up on me. I took a short trade from right here at the close of bar 7, and I was trying to get out for about 20 to 30 points. NinjaTrader froze up. I had to shut it down. I was able to flatten my positions once NinjaTrader opened back up. So I'm not sure how many points I ended up getting, but I'm up $1,941 on the day. So luckily, since that was a good setup, and I thought we might take out this low from yesterday anyways. I was leaving myself exposed to it in case we got a fast move down, but I was really only trying to get 20 to 30 points. But I thought we would take out this low, and it looks like we're about to, so it kind of worked out in my favor. I got a little bit more profits than I was planning, but it's never fun when NinjaTrader just locks up on you in the middle of a trade. Alright, now this blue box here, this is an acceptable short trade from right here, anywhere in this blue box. This is technically a bear flag pattern. Most likely we would see something like this, push a little lower, maybe take out that low right down here, yesterday's low. Since we're already that low, we'll probably push through there. Don't have to, but there's a high probability that we do. So this would be an acceptable short. I'm gonna wait and see what the next bar does. I might end up trying to take a small short here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a quick short here, but I'm only gonna target maybe the low of this bar, and I'll have my stop up here. Just above where that gap is there. Mark where I got in. Okay, so I got short right here. Alright, momentum's still to the downside, so let's see if we can get another little push down. See if this bear flag will play out. So far, that bar looks pretty bullish, but let's see what happens here. Looks like we're trying to push up towards that 20 EMA. We filled that little gap here so far. I think we're gonna probably push closer to that 20 EMA, but I don't want to risk all my profits. And actually, might move my target down just a little, just in case I'm exposed to more risk, so I might as well be exposed to more profits. The bulls stepped in more there than I thought they would. I probably should have waited for bar 11 to close. Alright, we definitely don't want to see a strong close on this bar. Oh, so it stopped out.
Order down.
Alright, I'm gonna hop back in there. I think we're gonna see probably a rejection off that 20. It could push up a little higher, but I'm expecting another leg down. Still possibly gonna take out this low from yesterday. Alright, I'm going to close that. I'm back in the green. See what that bar does. 11 was so strong we could see a little bit more upside towards the 20 EMA. This would have been an acceptable short. Off of this 20 EMA, we didn't really touch it, but we got close to it. That would have been an acceptable short. I'm really only looking for certain kinds of setups. That's why I didn't take that. It's a little bit riskier. Okay, we might get that push to take out that low from yesterday. Alright, I'm going to take that and see if we can get down here and take out that low. I'm just going to target a little bit above it to be conservative. Momentum is still down. Let's see if we can get this. The bulls are trying to do something. It could be a sideways range. Ugh. Definitely not what we want to see. But with this huge wick here off of that 20, that's another one of those trades there. That would have been an acceptable short. Since the bulls got rejected there, I think the bears would see that as an opportunity, and then the bulls would want to step in at a lower price. Let's see if that plays out. Maybe Ninja Trader will work properly. Alright, that bar didn't do much. It was a bear bar, but we didn't really take out the low of 15 or anything. So let's see what we can do with bar 18. Come on, bears, take out that low from yesterday. Come on, bears, push it on down through that low. Get back some of my profits from earlier. That 1 hour still looks good. So it looks like we've got some momentum towards the downside going. And we still haven't taken out this low. That's probably yesterday's low. 17 points. Come on, see if we can take out that low. 22 points. Let's see. Take 3 off. Leave 2. Go to break even on those. I'm just going to take it off there at 33 points. Alright, so I'm back up to about $1,000 profits on the day. Pretty wild ride. First trade up 1,940. Then a losing trade down to just barely in the green. So not too bad, up 1,000. This, for some reason, my leader account's only up 102. The other ones are up over 400. I might just have to switch my leader account, kind of rotate that out so that that'll all even out over time. But so far, that's good. Not the best price action today, so I'm going to just call it a day. I gave up a lot of profits, got a lot of it back. So 4 trades, 3 winners, 1 loser. Pretty good trading day overall. I don't know if we're going to push much lower. We could see a big drop. I might keep an eye on it, but unless we see some A+ setups, I'm not going to do anything. We could see a big drop down. I mean, there's still momentum in this channel on the daily time frame here. Still on a bearish channel. So I would expect more downside at some point over the next few days. Maybe a sideways range, possibly a week or 2 before busting out of that. But there's also always a chance, we see a big drop to the downside. So there's no guarantees, just have to wait and see what it does. But I'm happy with this $1,000 in profits. Closer to getting these evals funded. Actually, this 70 account is still just a couple hundred in the red. The other 2 are on their way to being funded. So subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more videos like this, leave me a comment. Also check out the Discord through the link in the description on this YouTube channel. And I can start trading live if anybody would like that. It would probably be exclusive to the Discord, so you will have to pay for that. But it would be well worth it. I could answer any questions, explain my strategies, explain how I use this trading bot here, and anything else. So thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.